Long and bushy creepers of pothos aka money plant can be seen in any household. Hi everybody, I'm back with one more video for you all today. Today I'm going to be talking about the hardiest of plants that you can have indoors. These plants can be kept indoors even in the extreme weather conditions of northern India. But before we go ahead, let me clarify, plants do need light. So if you can't provide them with the sunlight, which means if you want to keep them indoors for most of the time, you don't have any time for pruning and watering and other care instructions, these indoor plants that I suggest here are adaptable to your busy schedule. But before I get started, let me remind you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn with the same name, We Decorate. As I talk about the top 5 hardy plants around you, let me tell you that I'm going to start with the least hardy plant and go up till the most hardy plant in this list. So we are going to go from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and reach the most forgiving plant on the list to have indoors, and it's all based on my own experience of having them for last 5 years. So number 5 on the list is a beautiful trailing plant with pretty oak-like leaves. The name of the plant is English ivy. For some reason, English ivy is not very popular in India, but it makes for a great trailing plant. English ivies are very easy to maintain. In fact, the care instructions is as similar to that of money plant. The plant really love low temperature, but keep them in bright and indirect sunlight. Water them only when the soil dries up. But keep misting them, keep misting the leaves, because the plant really loves mist. Use them for ground cover or climb the vines up. English ivy makes for a very elegant indoor plant. So go ahead and buy one and keep one, because it's really classy to have one. At number 4 position, we have our very own Dieffenbachia. Dieffenbachia is basically a very hard to kill plant, and it is used to create a tropical look. Diffen, as we fondly call it, has huge leaves whose foliage is actually known to absorb all the toxins present in the air. By the way, all the plants that I am telling you about today are all air purifying plants, and they are all experimentally proven that they are air purifying plants. So this basically gives you another reason to go for these plants, to add them as a decor element in your house. So now Diffen prefers warm climate, and it works very well in absolute shade. But the only thing is that this plant does not grow big without bright and indirect sunlight, because that really helps them grow really big. So give them indirect sunlight, have them in your house, and you also have to be cautious about one thing, that this plant is poisonous. So not to keep the plant if you have children or you have pets at home. So third plant on the list is my second favorite, which is money plant. I'm going to come to my absolute favorite also. Please wait for it. Yes, the next hardy plant with long and bushy creepers of pothos aka money plant can be seen in any household. The reason is because it is so beautiful and it is so forgiving in nature. The other names used for this plant are devil's ivy and hunter's robe. This one does well in indirect sunlight. If you want to make it look bushy, make it look beautiful, make it bloom, give it some light. Pothos can also work well without water for quite some time. So you need to water it only when, only when the top 2 inches of the soil is dry. You can also use it in glass containers in water for decoration. One tip for money plant, it works very well in any situation, but fertilize it every month with organic compost if you want it to bloom like a beauty. On number 2 position, we have snake plant. Snake plant is an absolute favorite amongst indoor plant lovers. This one is also called Sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue for some reason. This one has upright, long and thick leaves, sturdy to the best of its capability. This plant thrives even if you don't water it even for a month. I think this plant wants to be left alone. Don't water it, don't fertilize it, and it still grows and it still shows its love to you. For all you beginners out there, I would suggest you to have 2 to 3 snake plants around your house and just forget about them, see them grow without any importance being given to them, and you will be happy to see how they love you back. Also rated as one of the best, in fact the best air purifying plant available on the planet by NASA. It makes for a must to have indoor plant for all you guys. So now, can you guess the number 1 on our list for being a very hardy plant? So not so popular among the people of India, but this one has been a rock star in being alive in any condition whatsoever. So the award goes to Zamioculcas zamiifolia, or as we fondly call it, the ZZ plant. This one is my favorite plant because I'm surprised to see how forgiving it is. ZZ does absolutely well even in a room with no window. You will be surprised to know that this plant does not need any water for longest time. If you want to kill this plant, just water it often. I just love the deep green and the light green color of leaves that this plant has. Have this plant if you travel a lot, or if you just have a tendency of forgetting about taking care of your plant babies. So these were the top 5 must to have plants which are really hardy. I hope I have inspired you enough to initiate your green journey. Thank you so much for watching, and keep suggesting us with what all topics you want us to cover in such videos. See you soon.